Yo, what up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's been a minute. I know I've been slacking on uploads. Try to get into it on why, but right now what's happening is the car's about to get towed. It's about to get towed to another house because I don't live here anymore. And then on Tuesday, it's finally getting sent out to the body shop. So yeah, this Tuesday, today is Saturday, 3 days it'll be out to the body shop. What have I done so far? Things I have done that I haven't really recorded was I fixed the wiring of the headlights. I remember I told you guys they had some custom headlights and the wiring was all like trash. I fixed that. I fixed the power steering pump. It was bent on one of my videos. It was bent. New tensioner. I put a serpentine belt on, brand new. What else? I think that's pretty much. Yeah, I pretty much have all the parts for the car, and I'm not missing not one thing. I'm not missing anything. I have everything. Yeah. So right now I'm just waiting for the tow truck to get a tow, but we'll just give you guys an update of what's going on. Also, I did install a shift knob and a shift boot on the car. Huge mass headlights, blah blah. But yeah, it's finally, gonna get towed. God, I can't wait till this car's off fucking just a normal Nismo again. I was gonna start the car since I know I could start it now, but I forgot to bring my jumper cables, so I won't be able to do that. I took off the side skirts when I left here. I also took off the rear bumper, and I brought that to my other house that I'm living at. So yeah, that's another reason why I haven't uploaded. I recently moved out, so when you move out, you gotta put like your 2-month deposit and all that crap, and rent's already due the next month. So that held me up a bit. Also, since the car was here and I lived like half an hour away from here, I really didn't have time to go back and forth to record because of work. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna just wait for the tow truck and yeah. Yo, what up, guys? Fast forward to the next day. I got the car towed to my friend's crib right now. Pretty much what I wanted to say. I remember in the last clip I said I fixed the wiring of the headlights, which I guess I had. But as I was putting on it just to make sure it was tight, it came off because I was using these butt plugs. But I guess these were they were just too thick, and when you tighten them, it really didn't get that tight. So I decided to do it the correct way, and as you can see here, it's all soldered and whatever I put shrink wrap. So now it's all good. Connectors, it's tight and everything. A little $10 solder or gun shit, and I was at Home Depot. So that's done. I'm gonna electric tape around it, and I'm gonna redo the next one. So yeah, with the other side, pretty simple. Yeah, and these freaking 3, I forgot to put the shrink wrap, so whatever. I mean, this is gonna go over, and I'm gonna put electrical tape around it. And yeah, this is how the other side came out. Yeah, that's it, guys. Next video will be the car going to the shop, and yeah, I'll also record that. So see you on the next video. We're gonna try to start this thing. Oh, hazards on. All right, off. My bad. All right, see what happens. First gear off. Oh, fuck. My bad, guys. All right, our fuel pump turn on. Yeah, no, now we're just gonna start it and see what happens. It's out of battery. Hold on, I'm gonna charge it. Let it charge a little bit. That shit dead. Alright guys, the battery's dead, so I'll try again in a bit. My other boy's truck, hopefully it comes through. Shout out to Coco for trying. I'm gonna try out the truck now. Fuck, this is day 2. Trying to start it, couldn't start it yesterday. The battery was dead, so I just picked up a new one. And we're gonna see if it starts now. There it is. Alright guys, I don't want to keep it that long. Sounds good. Alright guys, it starts. Guys, there it is. The car starts. Sounds healthy. Also, let me show you guys how the wiring ended up being yesterday. So this is all cleaned up. I put the new power steering cooler, which they'll have to remove anyways when they put the radio support, but this is all the wiring now. I put on some of them, I forgot which ones, whatever, on some of them I put new pigtails and stuff because some of them were broken. This is how the other side came out. Everything came out good. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how the headlight works. Make sure the wiring was good. Let me show you guys. So you guys have the headlight working.